Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Easy Exam Sutra. Here we are going to discuss the cumulant generating function. What is cumulant generating function? CGF. If x is any random variable, then its cumulant generating function is given by kxt. Is defined as kxt is equal to log of moment generating function, provided moment generating function must exist. So we got the expression for kx of t is equal to log of mx of t. Here log with base e, it's a natural log. Now we know, we have done what is mxt and how it can be expressed. So we will go further and find the expression for kx of t. So kx of t is equal to log of mx of t, and we know that mx of t can be expressed as expectation of e raised to tx. So it becomes log of expectation of e raised to tx. And we know that the function e raised to tx can be written as 1 plus tx square upon 2 factorial plus tx cube upon 3 factorial and so on. Here we will apply the expectation throughout the bracket. So expectation of 1, expectation of this comes as 1 only because it's a constant. Here expectation of tx, t comes outside, and the expectation of x is mu1 prime. Now same with this term tx square upon 2 factorial. So t square by 2 factorial will come outside and expectation of x square will come as mu2 prime. And for this term also expectation x cube is mu3 prime and t cube by 3 prime is written same, plus up to infinity. Now we know that this is the standard formula. Log of 1 plus x is given by x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x raised to 4 by 4 plus so on. Guys, just remember it by the order, like first plus minus plus minus. In this order you can remember this log of 1 plus x expression. So here, from here, this is log 1 plus x. This term is, this whole term is x, 1 plus x. So you can write here in place of x this term, in place of x square this term, plus this plus bracket square, for x cube this term bracket cube. So in this fashion we will write mu1 prime t plus mu2 prime t square by 2 factorial and so on. This is first term, this is our x. In this expression, in this expression A, we will put this x as x minus x square, this term square by 2 plus x cube, so this term cube divided by 3 minus power 4 by 4 and so on. So we will get the expression for kx of t like k1 of t, means this first term is k1 into t, but second term is k2 into this term is t square by 2 factorial. So k2 into t square by 2 factorial, and this term is k3 into t cube by 3 factorial, plus so on up to infinity. And this kx of t is expressed in form of t with coefficient k1, k2, dash dash kr and up to infinity. The kr is equal to, how can we find the kr value? So kr is the coefficient of t raised to r upon r factorial in kx of t. So just put the value of r and you will get the value of k1, k2, k3, k4. Guys, please like and subscribe our channel Easy Exam Solution to get the more updates. Thank you.